Chawanmushi, steamed egg, texture comparison. Chawanmushi, steamed egg, with an egg and water recipe. Break an egg into a cup. Stir the egg. Add an equal amount of water. Cover and steam low for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of steaming, Chawanmushi, steamed egg, with only an egg and water. Silky smooth texture, and super soft. Ingredients: an egg, water. Next recipe, Chawanmushi with an egg and oil, lard. Break an egg into a cup. Add oil, lard, into the cup. Stir to mix. Cover and steam low for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of steaming, Chawanmushi, steamed egg, with an egg and oil, lard. Silky but a bit porous texture. Soft texture. Ingredients: an egg, oil, lard. Next recipe, Chawanmushi with an egg and coconut milk. Break an egg into a cup. Put in coconut milk cream. Stir to mix together. Cover and steam low for 20 minutes. But after 20 minutes of steaming, still watery texture. Steam again for another 10 minutes. After a total of 30 minutes of steaming, Chawanmushi, steamed egg, with an egg and coconut milk. Texture is not smooth due to the extra 10 minutes of steaming on high and not covered. Texture is soft but not as soft as with water, but has the best taste. Ingredients: an egg, coconut milk. Chawanmushi with an egg and water has the best texture.